Hello everyone, thank you for tuning back. If you're new in this channel, please thank you for joining the family. I appreciate you. So guys, today I'm back with this video. I think from this channel there are times I did some hot dogs, and I bought the hot dog bread from the supermarket. So I promised to bake to show you how to bake hot dog bread. So guys, today I'm back with this video. Please view this video, share, like, and subscribe, and please watch this video until the end. So let's go. These are the ingredients I have. I have all-purpose flour. This is just a cup, and I will use 2 cups of it. This. So I also have some milk. I'll add milk to it. I have some sugar. I'll just put 2 tablespoons of sugar and 1 for salt. Then I have butter. I prefer using butter, guys. I have some butter, and also I have the yeast. So I'll use, because I used two cups of flour, I'm going to use 4 tablespoon of yeast. So guys, this is everything. I still have eggs, but I'll put eggs later. So I'll continue by just mixing this. Use water. It depends on how you see the consistency. So you can use water, but warm water, not cold water. So at this point now, I can beat my eggs. I can add my 2 eggs. I love eggs because of the color it gives, and also it has some taste. But eggs is optional, it's not really a must. So guys, at this point now, I can use my free hands so that to mix up everything well together. So it has to be soft, soft, soft. Keep tuned, guys. It has to be smooth, 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 smooth. So I can continue pressing. If you press it in a hard surface, it will help you to get smooth faster, 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 faster. We're just going to put it here, and we'll just leave it here and cover it and leave it again for 30 minutes. So guys, keep tuned. My hot dog breads, I just left it for you can see, guys, I left it for about 30 minutes, and now I'll just take it out. I squeeze it to be soft, soft. So you do that as you add some. What I'm going to do is just to cut them. I want to make 6 of them. I don't know whether they are the same size, but I'll just. They are sold in a pack of 6. So I just want to do 6. This is big. So I need to buy a weighing scale. It will help me a lot. Instead of estimating. If you want inside part of the bread to be compact, you have to roll them. So guys, I'm going to bake them in here. I can either use the parchment paper, or I can just smear it with some oil so that they do not stick. So I'll place. You make sure you press so that it can stick well. And then these edges, you're supposed to take it with the glue, but even if you press it, there's no harm, so long as it doesn't come out. You make sure you leave some space so that when they swell, they don't get attached to the other. These are my hot dog bread that I'm just baking. So the next step is now just to cover them. I'll cover it and give it another time to swell well before I put them in the oven. So guys, keep tuned. It's back to my rolls. You can see, guys, I left a space here in between them, with the reason because I knew they would get hold to one another. So I'm just going to bake them for another 15 minutes. So guys, keep tuned. So guys, I've just set my oven, and here I am. I'll just place my rolls there. So guys, those are my hot dog rolls. So just keep tuned and let's give it 15 minutes to cook. Check on my bread. Guys, you can see they are done. Look at my hot dog bread that I've just baked. They're looking even more healthy than the ones that I bought from the supermarket, guys. You have the video there. You can just see, look and compare. And to make it worse now, it's even fresh. Yeah? Feed on fresh food. So as usual, you have to apply some butter on top of it so as to make it at least more and more soft. So once you do this, you can have this bread, keep them in your fridge or keep them in your somewhere so that anytime you want to make some hot dogs, you just do it at home. No need to go buy. Another thing, once you have them, you can make some sandwiches as well. So guys, just see how amazing they look. Looking so yummy. These are homemade hot dog bread. See how beautiful they are. See how they look. So guys, because I want to preserve them for later use and also to make them more and more soft, I want just to pack them using a cling. Let me just remove one. You can see how good it looks. You can see the inside part of it. Looking so nice. So guys. So guys, you can see how spongy it is. So I'm just going to separate them, and if possible, I will just use a cling to pack them if you have to use them later. So this is, you pack them this way if you want to use them at a later date, so that they get more and more softer. So guys, please give my video a thumbs up. Thank you for watching. Let's meet on another video and join the family, guys. If you look at that YouTube channel, I've just introduced some badges here, badges there for members. Please just be a member in this channel and you'll never miss any video. Thank you for tuning in. Bye bye.